That's right, High Parking House. I'm with Rick Ball with Good Foot Stepping, and we also have Wesley Pulpit here in the house.
Focus.
And we're just gonna take a few minutes and talk to Rick and get to know a little bit about him and have him share information about his group, Good Foot Steppin. So how are you, Rick?
I'm good. Just got off work.
Okay.
The other job.
Yeah, the other
Yeah, I'm
job.
like a Jamaican, 17 teams to get.
17. So you have tree jobs in mind.
Yes.
Okay. So Rick, tell us a little bit about yourself. You know, your background, where you grew up, like what community, what about high school, any college?
Well, I visited a few high schools, two schools of higher academia.
Okay.
I went to South Shore, Corliss, Hales, Dunbar. Well, anyway, you get the gist.
Right.
But yeah, I've been stepping and loving this dance since I was like 12, 13. I was 12 years old, going to Catholic school on 79th and Jeffrey, and that's 1972. And I saw a couple of guys that I knew that went to Horace Mann Public School, and they had on big bell bottoms and
So wait a minute. So you're saying that you've been stepping since like high school?
Since 13, since grammar school.
Since grammar
I'm one of the
school.
oldest guys in this game, period.
But wait a minute. What community did you grow up in?
South Shore. I
South
was born in Inglewood.
Okay.
And I live in Inglewood again. Life is good. This is used to a full circle.
I know. I grew up in Inglewood, so yeah, that's my old stomping ground. Very familiar with Inglewood.
Yeah, we moved in South Shore when it was all white.
Yeah.
The first black kids on the block, east of 75th, south of 79th Street, and my nickname was Inner, you know, the Inner. Because you didn't know any better. I'm 6 years old. We don't know. But neighborhood has changed, just like it's changing back again. You're all full circle.
Right.
Keep your eyes open.
Okay. So, how long has Good Foot Steppin been around?
Well, James Brown been around forever.
Okay.
I give honor to James Brown. That's what we call Good Foot Steppers.
Okay.
Back in the day, this dance first started. This dance was a gangster dance. The Black Stone Rangers started this dance on the south side of Chicago.
Okay.
I got into this dance in about 72. They were doing it around 70. We were kids. Our parents were bopping. That's why there's a difference between bopping and stepping. Chicago is that
And you know, that's a whole controversy in itself because a lot of people do think bopping
They
and
want to.
stepping is the same. And I try to nicely explain,
No, it's not.
stepping has a lot more structure.
Yeah.
But anyway, I digress.
Exactly. But you know, bopping was what our parents did. We were little kids and we trying to imitate James Brown. You go to the roller skating rinks back in 73, 74. All the roller skating rinks like Savoy or 79, all kinds of rollers.
I remember
You go in there, nobody's skating. Everybody was in the room stepping. A lot of moves that you see, the original steppers. See what they're saying now? They're trying to bring the game back like this. This James Brown stuff is new. This stuff ain't new. This is the beginning of the dance where it started from. And it's been hidden. But it's out here now, y'all.
But it sounds like you were a skater too.
Oh no, I tried.
Yeah.
I debuted a couple of times. Thought I was pretty good until one of the referees picked me up and put me in the middle. I'm thinking I'm jamming. I'm sliding. I'm getting good. My hair is getting white because when you put that talcum powder on that floor, everybody here turned white.
Right.
Remember that Savoy back in the day?
Yes.
History for y'all. That's something.
Yes. Well, in Inglewood, we used to skate at the visitation.
Yeah, visitation.
On Garfield. Yeah, at the visitation.
That was
The
all girls. It was
gymnasium.
all girls. Just try to hang up there, pick up something.
Okay. Now, you mentioned something about the Gangster Steppin. You had started a series on Gangster Steppin.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about that and where you are with that.
Well, with the dance style, it was strictly, I hate this phrase man on man, because I don't understand the concept of that. I forgot, what's his name? Taboo, I think started that name, but it was just two guys. We 12, 13, James Brown come on and grab each other. We started trying to emulate, or we were trying to copy our parents, but we started doing something a little bit different. We started crisscrossing. Bopping is side to side. We crisscrossed and stuff. We started doing James Brown and doing this and flipping and all that stuff. And then people started saying that was buffoonery. How can it be buffoonery? It's the beginning of the dance. It's the history of this dance. But anyway, that's between new schoolers and old schoolers. That's another conversation. Go to my YouTube channel, Rick Ball 7198. I will explain all the history of this dance for real, where it really comes from, and who the real legends are, y'all.
Now, I did see some of your videos on your webpage? Are you planning on doing any more of those in the near future?
Yeah. We got a little clown video we just put out when we're doing the bump up here in the class. So we get silly sometimes. We got bloopers and stuff like that. But I've been doing this since I was a kid, and when I first saw it, because I was a shy kid, I was scared. The only dance I could do was the bump. You know, because how guys were cool and stuff, but me, I could be in the corner. And when this dance came out, stepping, I was like, oh, shit. I was a James Brown fool at the time, too. So
Right.
I love James Brown, so I just wanted to, when we were kids, we would get in front of our parents and try to pretend like we were James Brown. So that's where stepping comes from. James Brown and Blackstone Rangers. That's where it started. That's how it started.
So those were the main two influences on the one
and the roller skating rink. Because when you see the guys do legs side to side or split and all that stuff, you see, that's when the roller skating. That's where they get it from.
Yeah, because a lot of steppers are skaters as well.
Yeah, not original stepper.
Yeah. Now, how long have you been teaching over here?
I've been teaching. Well, before the pandemic, we had built the class up. We had got up to we had packed the parking lot. And then the pandemic hit. So totally, I was there 3 years before then. Then the pandemic 2 years, and this is going on 2 years, so it's 7 years.
Well, hey y'all, when I first started stepping, not that long ago, Rick, I'm more of a newcomer stepper. I'm in the new school of stepping, but Rick was one of my first instructors. I used to come over here to stand on Wednesdays and learn how to step. And it was a lot of the basics.
You learn the basics, you can do anything you want to out here.
That's right. So, Rick, if someone wants to take lessons with you and learn how to step, where should they come?
Well, they come here every Wednesday from 7 to 9. Always got to move to the church. We have a YouTube channel, Rick Boss 7198. We have a website where we sell packages. We sell DVDs. I am so old school. we sell videos, like we sell the starter. If you want to learn the starter, we sell that video. We sell the left turn, right turn. Right now, if you Google goodfootstepping.com, you can get free lessons online. You can learn how to step in comfort of your own home.
Okay.
We built this program during the pandemic for people to start learning during the pandemic. So that's why some of my business still say stuff like, you're going to learn, and then you come out of the pandemic, you already know how to step, but you learn how to step up each day. It's free. Google goodfootstepping.com.
Now they want to step with you in person. They can come here on Wednesday nights at what time?
7 to 9. Plus we do private lessons. We do Zoom. We're building. We're trying to take this dance all over the hemisphere. It's going slow. It's going too slow for me.
So you want
this dance to be on Dancing with the Stars.
You want to speed it up then, okay?
This dance is over 50 years old. Salsa has a genre. Stepping doesn't even have a genre. We gotta come together, y'all. Until we come together as a unit, as a stepping unit, especially Chicago.
That's one of my goals, to get stepping as a nationwide and international recognition as a official dance.
Official African American ballroom dance. That's ours. They have salsa, tango, reggae. All those dances exist also, right? But they on TV. We ain't.
And for those of you out there who may not know this, that the stepping is an original Chicago African American dance. That's right.
I don't know who did that. We'll talk about that on my YouTube. Chicago style stepping. Ain't no Detroit style salsa, so it shouldn't be a Chicago style stepping. This dance.
Because they originated here, they want to give Chicago credit.
They want to give themselves credit. They want to do it.
Well,
that's what they're trying to do.
I've had fun talking with you. I appreciate you joining me today and getting to know, share a little bit about yourself with our audience and your stepping classes. Again, if you're interested in learning how to step with Rick, come on down Wednesday, 7 o'clock, Augustana Lutheran Church. And
discount for us old heads. We got senior citizen discount. We got packages for 12 weeks, right? 12 weeks. I got old times. I don't remember how that stuff, but come on down, check us out, y'all.
And what's your Facebook page or your YouTube page?
My YouTube channel is Rick Boss 7198.
Okay.
My Facebook page is Rick Goodfoot Steppers. And then my other Facebook page is Rick Ball. And then if you Google Good for Steppin', it'll take you to my store where we're selling packages. So check that out. Subscribe to my channel. We're trying to build that channel. My YouTube channel got 4,000. We're trying to get 40,000 subscribers, y'all.
All right.
That makes it big. If you want this everywhere,
It is growing like crazy, like wildfire. Again, Rick, thank you for joining me. And
thank you, dear.
we will see you.
We go back to the stuff. She'll be trying to play it off. The girl used to come to my class. We've been on the show for a minute.
That's right. We
She
old friends.
She running my old show. She running Celebrity Steppin', y'all. That used to be Rick Ball. But
yeah, he is still a member.
I'm still a member. I always be a member.
So much on his plate.
Yeah.
We had to take him up with it.
We all started up at Avalon Park on 83rd and Avalon, y'all.
That's right.
The day the Bears lost the Super Bowl, that's when I started teaching. I've been teaching since 15 in the basement. I'm not in the basement. We used to go in the basement. We used to leave Purr's house, which is now called East of the Rhine. We used to leave there. All the fellas, because it was guys, we all go to my house, and we would step till 12 in the afternoon, listening to Pathway to Glory by the songs and the singer. And at 12 noon, my mom would come downstairs with a plate of pancakes, feed our asses, and then say, "Get out my house." We do that every Saturday, y'all. That's how far we go back to this game.
That's right. And it's a lot of fun. It's great exercise. It's great mental brain workout as well.
And we teach you stepping into fitness, so we teaching you stepping into fitness and stretching. Wesley's gonna do the stretching right about now because we gotta start the class and I'm all late.
Right, so I'm not going to keep you long. So thank you guys for joining us. Hi, Eric. Hi, Alonzo. Thank you guys for tuning in and listening to this interview. We appreciate you. And once again, we'll see you on the wood.
That's right. Peace and hair grease.